Hello from Slovenia again. I'm still trying to create a feather with a straight pour. I did one in my previous video. All my paints are mixed with Ovatrol Floetrol and some polyurethane satin varnish. And this time I will try to do it a little differently, and I will change the color order. So I will start with this greenish blue and metallic cobalt mixture, permanent blue violet. I have something in here. This is iridescent blue green by Pebeo and red violet and gold, and I will go once more with some white. This greenish blue color, it's beautiful. Permanent blue violet, iridescent blue green. Let's finish up this red violet. And gold. And I will leave this, and I have some scrape offs from my previous pour that I will just pour on for our flow extender here. It has the same colors in there, so it should be okay. Well, let's do that. I will do it a little differently this time. I will go like that first, just straight pouring this. Oh, saw that blob. And now I will try to do this here. And I will rag this into the feather, kind of. This will be my feather for today. I need to get this part out. There is a big blob of something, and I will just do this. Okay, so I need a little something here because I don't want to lose our feather, of course. So I will add some of this here. For a little bit of flow extender on this part, and I think that I have enough on that part, but I just scrape this out. Okay, I just have to see if maybe I need a little something here. I definitely don't like that part, so I will just try to go from here and make another feather here. And maybe want a little break of this part here. And now I will start tilting. Let's grab a corner catcher. Corner catcher is just you know, cardboard that you fold, that you don't lose the parts that you don't want. So hopefully this was not the best idea to do a feather on the bottom. I can already see that. It will still stay there, but you know, I wanted to have it more. I'll just grab some of this and put it here before I will go on the other side, because this will start to stretch out to that part. You can always add, you know, this on your canvas. And now I will walk to the other side. And now I'll go over the edge. Yeah, I definitely think that I should go, you know, with the feather more into the middle, not on the bottom. Just grab this paint here and put it on the corner. I just need to tilt a little bit of this off, because it's just weird now, because it's not the whole feather. So I want this to be like that. I like that anyway, but you know, with straight pour you can create such a beautiful abstract paintings. I just love straight pours. You just have to choose the right colors together, and those are definitely the right ones, because they play really nice together. I'm just thinking that I want to tilt a little more of this off, or I want to stretch this a little more here because it's gorgeous, and give a little movement to that part. You know what? I just want to grab this part and take it all over the something, just to, it was just ending somewhere that I didn't like it, so yeah. I think I'm done. Maybe I will go a little more down, because this feather is now really not a feather, so now I'm looking for a different composition. So if you want your feather, it's definitely better idea to put it in the middle, not on the bottom. I want to straighten up this line a little bit there, just to and I'm willing to lose the feather because of it. Because it turned out like a landscape. A lot of my paintings turned out like flowers or landscapes, because I love that. Love flowers and love nature. So now just one more spin to just to straighten this a little bit, you know, because you can see that I tilted it, so just want to go a little over. Yeah. I will leave it now. Here she is dry, no feather, just a kind of cool landscape again. You know me, they are either flowers or landscapes. This is what I get with acrylic pouring. So yeah, but I like this. I will try to do it with a split cup next, because I know that I can get it with a split cup. So stay tuned for that if you are interested. But for today is this kind of stormy looking landscape, seascape, I don't know. But I like it. The red violet turned out a little dark for my taste. There is some shimmer from that I believe aqua. I love those lines here, but yeah, no feather. But I love straight pours because I don't know, they are just beautiful for my taste. I believe that they are very underrated technique because you can get a beautiful abstract piece of art. So this was it for today. I will wish you all happy 4th of July. I hope that you will celebrate your weekend and see you again on Monday. Bye!